guys, it's 3 in the morning. We have about 4 inches already. I thought I would give you a little peek, show you what the snow looks like. As of right now, they're estimating that we're going to be receiving 24 inches of snow. But yeah, it looks like a big fluffy white blanket landed on top of everything. It's so windy out. My goodness. Can you guys see everything, all the movement? Wow. Guys, can you see right around here all the movement? It looks like it's all pixelated. Yeah, that's the snow. Baby, do you see it in my phone? It looks pixelated, right?
Yeah.
That's crazy.
But that's actually snow falling. Like, look at the light. Over there. See the car?
Yeah, you could see movement here too, right in here.
Go.
And up there. So that's what's going on, guys. Baby, that's crazy. Look at it in my phone.
Yeah, I see it.
You see it?
Mm-hmm.
It does look pixelated. Alright guys, so there it is. We have about 4 inches, so let's see what it looks like a few hours from now. That's how much we have so far. It's 7:30.
Daddy can't drive on that snow. Can he?
No, baby. Has to be plowed.
Too cloud.
When Luke out, he said, Frosty! So cute.
Woody!
Frosty.
Woody!
For some reason, I get this slight feeling that the kids might want to go outside.
Whoa, I want to go outside. Look! It's snowing.
It's 10 o'clock, guys. You see this snow piled up next to our car? But the thing is, it's not even the deepest at our car because the wind. Like, look at the top of the car. There's hardly no snow on top of the car. So good morning, officially. I slept from 4:30 to about 7 o'clock. Kitana woke me up. She woke me up by bringing 2 oranges to me and asking if she could have an orange. And then Lucas heard her and he woke up and I was sitting there on the edge of the bed slicing open the oranges and cutting chunks out for them. What do you guys?
We have enough time. Join our picnic.
They pulled that out of her closet. I'm currently cleaning your closet, huh? I'm organizing their clothing by, like, category, basically. So they had some orange slices for breakfast. And then Kitana asked me for the crunchy salad, the coleslaw. So they both devoured the coleslaw. And then Kitana had some garlic bread. We had chicken a few days ago. I don't think we vlogged it. But we still had some leftover chicken. So I had chicken and coleslaw. And the kids had oranges, coleslaw, and then Kitana also had the garlic bread. So weirdest breakfast ever. But yeah, George, he hasn't been getting good sleep the last few days either. But he's going to have a lot of work to do with cleaning up the snow. And I'll help him, of course, but he's going to end up doing the majority of it. So I'm not waking him up. I'm letting him rest until he wakes on his own. I turned his alarm off, so hopefully he sleeps for a little while longer.
Mama, can I go outside and play with the snow?
Later on, baby, okay? Later on. So we're just hanging out. I'm being productive, getting some stuff done in their closet. And they're playing, being silly.
You have to come in here and see I'm there.
We'll show them, don't worry.
Yeah.
So we have like a foot of snow so far, and they're saying that we might get like 20 more inches. So George and I were discussing, like, we don't know if we're really going to go out today. We might wait until tomorrow because it's so windy. Yeah, we haven't shoveled yet either because it's so windy. Like, if we shovel, the wind is just going to go and bring the snow right on back. So I really don't know, but I just hope everybody is safe. I hope everyone's safe. Hey, baby. Kids are napping.
Yeah.
I told them I'm going to take a nap too because I'm trying to talk to our friends. I was vlogging a little bit, and my words are like.
It's a little dark.
Yeah, like I'm stumbling over my words. I'm going to go and take a nap, but first, peanut butter and banana sandwich. Thank you, my love. He's in the kitchen. Guys, look, he's wearing his Christmas pajamas. Baby, you're so cute. Huh? Baby, maybe I'll clean the... Yeah, I was showing them your pajamas. I want to clean the floors again today. Lucas, their toy phone, you know, the old phone. It's by the garbage can. I just noticed it. But yeah, I was thinking about cleaning the floors today. Thank you for the almond milk, baby.
Hey guys, good afternoon. It's the middle of the blizzard, and we only have like an hour left of sunlight here, so around 5 o'clock. But I wanted to show you the snow because I have my trusty shovel right here. See, woohoo! And let me just show you. Of course, here's my door that I was just talking to you from the outside. Here's the entrance. And that's crazy. Like, you guys can't really tell, but that's about 2 feet on top of this. Like, on top of this. Let me just show you. So you guys can have a comparison. There's the floor. There's the snow. That's about 3 feet of snow. Lucas will be standing. Like, the only thing you can see is his head on top of this. What? I'm exaggerating? Hold on a second. There you go. See how much of the shovel's poking out? Like, if you see it, from right here on up. And the shovel, standing next to me, is this tall. And I don't know about you guys, but I don't know if you know or not, but I'm 6 foot tall, 72 inches. So, look at that. So I will be standing like right here. That's 4 feet of snow. Here's a better comparison. Do you know how our car is like, you know, pretty high top, right? There's our car, right there. You're like, that's just snow on top of it. But you know what? Hold on. Look where the snow is. See that? It's halfway through the car. See the line right here? That's the line for the whole thing. So our car is literally half underneath the snow. Now the plows came and they plowed, of course. But yeah, oh, you know what? Here. That's our neighbor's Jeep. They plowed their driveway, and crikey. Well, at any rate, that's what I have to do now. So there's not going to be any snow footage tonight because it's still snowing and it's not going to let out. I don't know if you can tell. You can't, but yeah. Oh yeah, there you go. You're kind of a little bit. But yeah, it's going to snow. Like, all day. At any rate, guys, I am going to, you know what? I'm just going to tackle this tomorrow. Like, look, our bushes, guys. Do you remember our bushes from previous vlogs? Our bushes are like 3 feet tall. Maybe a little less, but look, our bushes. It looks like a mountain of snow. That's it. Boy. Well, anyways, I'm going back inside. I'm not going to attempt this tonight because, as you can tell, the lights are about to come on. And, yeah. Let's go inside. It's kind of dangerous. I have no idea why that's like blowing like that. Kind of dangerous.
It's been a little while. I took a nap. Yeah. Now I'm sitting here with this little monkey. I was just reading your comments from like the last 24 hours, and you guys are cracking us up. Like, seriously. So, thank you for that, because it's kind of fun. You guys are awesome.
Wake up for me now. Hey, baby girl. Are you tired? Yeah. Are you sleepy? You want to sleep some more or you want to get up? You want to sleep some more? But you want to waste the day away. Or you want to take a tiny little nap? She wants to take a tiny little nap. You took a tiny little nap. Oh, you want 2 tiny little naps. Okay.
Aw, so sweet.
Oh, little girl.
A few more minutes, but that's it.
Just a few more minutes, okay?
Because Mama can't handle these 4 a.m. rises, 3 a.m. rises. Because I've been, like, I edit usually. And then I go to lay down really late, like, what, 2:30? And then Lucas wakes to nurse. And then they wake up. I'm like, no. It's okay. They're doing good though, guys. They've been awake all day except for like a small nap, and now they're both napping a little bit. But
It's all good.
yeah, it's all good. They should sleep tonight.
I can't wait.
Our sweet baby, she's so precious. I love her outfit. Guys, she dressed herself. She said, I want to pick out my clothes. And we're like, okay, go ahead. So cute.
Alright, let's see. Go ahead, focus. It is at 32 inches. Yep, we have 32 inches of snow. Almost 3 feet. Must be nice. Take a look, guys. There's the neighborhood. That's why you just saw my breath. It's not focusing, but that's where we're at. 36, 32. What was it? Yep, 32 inches of snow. The perils that await me in the morning when I have to shovel up this. There's the car over there. Yeah, you can't really tell. It's dark, but the car's completely covered. Well, let me go back inside. No point of staying out here. I just wanted to show you guys how deep it was. I can't believe it. Boy. Well, it's not focusing, but I showed you guys. So let's go back inside. Applesauce for me? Mm-hmm. Ooh, thank you. Let me kick off my shoes.
I know we have apples, but the kids have been on like an applesauce kick lately, and they put me in the mood for applesauce, and I thought you would like some too.
Heck yeah, thank you so much, baby. Alright, let me take off these clothes full of snow and
Eat your applesauce.
you look beautiful. You know, technically this is our first, our baby's first blizzard. Both of them, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, it is.
Yeah.
We
I'm going to play with them tomorrow.
Yeah, we'll definitely go out tomorrow, guys, because I don't think it's going to be snowing tomorrow. We beat the record for Pennsylvania. Our last record-breaking blizzard was in 1996, but we've beat it today.
Cool. Well,
Yeah.
let me get off these clothes, and so I can have some of that. I want some of that right now. Yeah, applesauce. I have no idea.
They look like whack-a-moles or something. You smack them in the butt and make them jump up.
Smack him in the butt. That's too funny.
Oh, the baby horse.
She's wearing a dress that is like 3 sizes too large.
Ow.
Yeah, it is a little on the large side.
Ow! Hi, Sam.
You got my hand?
my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness.
Bye.
I asked her to go pick out a different book so we can keep reading. She picked out My Potty Book for Boys.
Oh boy. Okay.
1, you've been potty trained for like 3.5 years. 2, you're not a boy.
No, Dad. I'm just like babies.
Well, Lucas has a book. What do you have there, Lucas? Let me see your book.
Book. Monkey.
Monkey.
He has been saying Elmo is a monkey.
Hey, that's
all
not a monkey.
day.
That's Elmo. Elmo, and guess who else wants the
Is that a
cookie?
monkey?
Monkey.
Elmo.
Elbow.
Yeah, he's saying elbow.
Elbow.
Monkey, elbow. Elbow.
Monkey.
He said elbow.
Elbow, monkey.
That's funny.
Monkey. Monkey. See?
Alright, baby. How about you run and pick out a different book?
Monkey. I just like this book so much and I love it. Monkey. It's so cute, that baby.
You're so cute.
Our babies.
You're so cute too. Well, on a more eventful note, it's not. It stopped snowing,
Yes.
and we got 34 inches of snow. So tomorrow, first thing, I'm gonna shovel the sidewalk and the driveway.
Amen.
Yay me! And then you guys get to play outside in the snow, cause that's a lot of snow. I'm gonna be tired tomorrow for sure.
Monkey.
What?
Monkey.
Monkey? What's the monkey's name?
Elbow.
Elbow. Okay. Monkey's name is Elbow.
My head's still
Monkey. Monkey. Baby.
What, baby?
My head's still hurting.
Oh, I'm sorry your head hurts.
I took medicine, guys. I don't want to, but I feel like a train ran over my head.
Oh wait, it's not focus.
Monkey.
Focus. Focus. Okay, focus on Sheena.
Monkey.
Good camera. Okay.
Monkey.
Monkey. Yeah.
Ow.
The camera is like the light is like dim and bright, dim and bright, dim and bright, dim and bright like
Yeah, I've
that.
been doing that a lot lately.
Monkey.
I can't wait to have a new camera.
Me too.
Huh? You too? What do you mean you too?
I lost my white camera. What?
It's like it should be going faster. It's going slow. I don't know. Maybe he's tired and wants to go to sleep.
Monkey. Monkey.
What, Lucas?
Monkey.
He's so cute.
Hey.
Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. You're falling down. I have to ask you a question.
What?
Why are you kissing me so much?
Because I'm a dick. Because I'm a kissing monster.
You're a kissing monster.
Oh, now he's kissing me.
Ah, thank you, son.
Oh, you kissed our friends too? Awesome.
Ah, thank you. Thank you, son. Thank you, daughter.
So he gave you a kissy, then Kitana, then me, and then our friends. Boy. Okay. Why don't we play Tickle instead? Hey guys, good evening. Today has been very uneventful because of the snowstorm, and we pretty much had a snow day. We did nothing but watch TV, play video games, and then all of a sudden him said, "Oh man, we didn't really do much for the vlog today." So I want to apologize for that. Sheena was productive when it comes to cleaning and cooking and stuff like that, but I was productive playing video games, if you can call that productive. But at any rate, tomorrow we are going to send the kids out to the front yard after I shovel the entire thing. Oh boy, maybe I was just psyching myself up for the battle that's coming up ahead tomorrow. But Anyway, thank you guys for watching. We really appreciate it. The kids are just winding down with Shayna now, and Shayna now. With Shayna now. Shayna now. Anyways, they're together playing. I don't know if you can hear Lucas in the background, but he's doing his thing, screaming, yelling, carrying on. But that's it. Thank you so much for watching, guys. We will see you tomorrow. Good night.